We're now learning that animals use sound in ever more sophisticated ways, perhaps none more so than the Atlantic spotted dolphin. For these intelligent creatures, the greatest challenge in this seemingly barren land is finding fish to eat. But we now know that they do this using an astonishing sonic superpower. Like all dolphins, they hunt using echolocation. But in shallow waters, instead of using this skill to find food in front of them, they use it to search for fish completely hidden from sight. By forcing air around their nasal passages, they create high-intensity clicks, which are so powerful that they penetrate through the sand, bouncing off objects beneath. This allows Atlantic spotted dolphins to scan the seafloor like metal detectors. When prey is detected, they ramp their clicks up to over 400 per second. Known as the buzz, it's so forceful that it can stun the fish, making them easier to catch. As long as you don't let go. Success at last. The dolphin's clicks make them the masters of acoustic hunting in the shallow seas.